Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you guys know what an upcycle means? Meanwhile, I'm Carlo Gechkome, a YouTuber and fashion designer based in Enugu State, Nigeria. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys what an upcycle means. On waking up, I stumbled on my old favorite denim trouser and it was white shirt. Meanwhile, this denim trouser is already privileged. I did that because I wasn't ready to give up wearing the trouser yet. So in my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to bleach your denim. While getting ready for the upcycle, here I have my scissors, my cutter, my pencil, ruler, and a measuring tape. So after gathering all that I needed for this job, I laid out my shirt on the table with a ruler and pencil. I ruled out 9 lines and 8 rows diagonally on the shirt. Meanwhile, as I am still ruling out lines, let me explain what an upcycle means. This is a creative reuse of an already existing outfit or garment into an entirely new design with minimal application of new materials. I know you've learned something today, a new word, yeah? Okay. With that being explained, I guess you are now understanding what I'm doing. Next, I ruled out lines diagonally across the already existing lines, which now give multiple rhombus looking shapes. This is because each line has an intersecting point, thereby forming the shape. I went ahead to measure out 0.5 inches on each side of the rhombus towards the points of intersection. After which I placed a board in between the shirts. This is to prevent me cutting through the back side of the shirt while cutting. Calm down, calm down, calm down. You're about seeing a netty beaut. As I finished ripping the shirt open, it was time to cut the length of the denim trouser in order to get the remaining essential piece to continue the job. So I had to cut the length of the trouser, reducing it to 19 inches long, which will now make me a short. I proceeded to measure out a perfect rectangle on the denim. This is because I need my cutouts to be straight and of equal sizes. I will be using the width of my ruler as the size for the denim cutouts. Hence, I will have 7 lines giving me 6 pieces of denim cutouts up front and 24 pieces in total. Afterwards, I started to knit a mat-like pattern on the shirt by passing the denim cutouts through the openings on the shirt diagonally, hence giving a diagonally placed chessboard look. I continued this act till I covered the whole area. Then came the question or a problem of how to get the cutouts together to avoid it from pulling out or slacking. So with the denim remnants and the hemming gum, I closed them down by gumming them together on both ends of the sides of the shirt using a hot iron. After which I proceeded to a sewing machine to finally knot them because I know that once I wash it, the gum may be weak and then cause an embarrassment. Going on, I had to cut the length of the shirt and use a denim cutout to trim it. What do you think about this video? Leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do that, and always leave your notification bells on so you will be the first to be notified whenever I post a video. Also like and share to your friends and enemies. You might be helping someone out. You never can tell. Voila! Look at it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed. Bye.